Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kajabi funnels for course sales, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the marketing option in the main menu. Select funnels from the drop-down list. Click on the new funnel button. Choose create a new funnel. Select the sales funnel template. Name your funnel something relevant to your course. Click Create Funnel to proceed. Now you'll see a series of steps in your funnel. Start with the first step, which is usually an opt-in page. Click on Add Step to include this page. Name your opt-in step. Choose a template that fits your branding. Click Create Step. Once the opt-in page loads, customize the page elements. Edit the text to describe your course clearly. Include a call to action that motivates visitors to sign up. Add an image or video if it enhances your message. Now, save your changes. Next, click on the plus icon to add another step. This time, add a sales page. Name the sales page appropriately. Select a template that suits your course offer. Click Create Step. On the sales page, write compelling copy to showcase your course. Highlight its benefits and features clearly. Add testimonials or reviews if available. Incorporate a strong call to action button. Save your changes after editing. Return to your funnel steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.